This is an introductory video to schema.org. Schema.org is a way to create structured content for your website, created originally by Google, Microsoft, etc. to make search results better. What is the benefit of that to you? For instance, here we've searched for a bakery in Berlin, and now the bakeries with schema.org show up with their address, opening hours, reviews, if they have delivery or not, etc. Basically, you get much more visibility for your website in Google in the form of rich cards, FAQs, etc. And even LLMs understand it better. It is a way for machines to understand your site better, both search engines and LLMs, optimizing your SEO and GEO. Schema.org is data that is hierarchical. Everything starts from the thing. An organization is a thing, and a local business is an organization. And then you can add properties such as opening hours to that local business. Let's go ahead and see how to add this to your website. Here we have our consulting company example website. We're going to add two schemas, one for the front page about the company and another to the FAQ page with the FAQs so that Google can pick them up to their results page. First, let's add a schema component to the front page. I'll change the thing into an organization. You can see that I can add both thing properties and organization properties. I'll first add the URL of the company. Next, I'll add same as, which is our LinkedIn page telling ChatGPT and Google that this company has this LinkedIn page. I'll also add the address and finally the NAICS code, which is the North American Industry Classification Code. Again, for LLMs to know what kind of a company we are, I'll also add the email address, and instead of typing it, I'll bind it to the email global variable inside Flipsite. I can preview the generated schema, and it's all structurally correct. And I can also preview it on the actual site. Now let's do the same for the FAQ page. The hard part is knowing what schema to add. But we'll get back to that soon. I'll add a schema component. I'll first change this into an FAQ page. Add a main entity of type question. And instead of writing all the questions, I'll just bind it to my CMS collection and add an accepted answer. And I'll also bind the answer from the FAQ. I can see the whole FAQ in the preview, and I can also preview and see what it looks like for a human, but also as an FAQ for machines. In Flipsite, it's super easy to create schema for your website that is always structurally correct and increases visibility in search engines and LLMs. But you can also use Flipsite to find out more about each schema.org type by clicking on the type and reading more. Alternatively, you can look up things on the schema.org website, but I warmly recommend using your favorite AI chat like ChatGPT or here DuckDuckGo's own LLM to find out what schema to add to your website. Now go ahead and try it out yourself. Flipsite is free to use and sign up, so head over to flipsite.io.